I think that Harmony is a great platform, including data coming from clinical trials and also from the real life. For clinical professionals, this is of very high value because it really reflects the results in the most recent trials and also in the most recent applications of the new drugs in the real life. This is data coming from all over Europe, so it is very valuable, and it will help us to, of course, to adapt the new treatments to the local situations, and for the doctors being comfortable that the data presented in trials are confirmed in real life, and also for the doctors to feel part of a great European community. Yes, so I've been particularly involved in the project on acute promyelocytic leukemia, which is a rare acute myeloid leukemia, where we have been able to gather results from different countries and showing that the scores that we are using are applicable everywhere, and that the results of the treatments that we have seen in single protocols are confirmed by the large numbers. So this makes the doctors and ourselves confident on the treatments we are proposing to the patients, and I think this is of great value.